Alright guys, so my horn hasn't worked since I got the Jeep in May, and I just saw one of my fellow Jeepers on one of the Facebook pages that I'm a part of have the same issue, his horn not working. Obviously it can be a number of things, but anyways, I saw what he did, and he basically cleaned the contact here. I just noticed mine was pretty rusty, so I got my coffee here, my stainless steel brush, my brass brush, and my screwdriver, and let's see, hopefully it works for me as well. Put that there, hopefully it doesn't fall, because that would be a tragedy. Let's see here. Done. Yeah, see, look at that, it's pretty rusty there, pretty rusty in the back. So I guess what happens is when this makes contact with this, when you press it, it's supposed to sound. Now I didn't check all the connections, obviously I didn't check like under here, but I did check under the hood, clean the contacts and the grounds and everything over there. But let's see what we got here. Okay, so yeah, so it looks like it's all, you know, a little rusty here. Oh, is that the little, okay, I see what's going on here. Huh. Alright, sweet. Let's check this out. Cleaned it up, put it all back together. It still doesn't work, but I hear this clicking under here. I'm guessing it's... I started hearing this click down here. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That little click. Anyways, it's coming from right here. This is the horn relay, apparently. It's just kind of hanging here. Seems to be working fine. It's clicking and everything. So what I did was I tested the voltage to the wire, the horn wire. So I got my trusty little multimeter here, put it to 12 volts. It's obviously 0 here. The positive I put to the horn wire here. The negative I connected to that ground right in there. Right there. Using the little alligator clips. Now when I press the horn, obviously nothing happens because it's not connected, but I get 12 volts. So after I saw that I had 12 volts going to the connector there, every time I pressed the horn, I took the horn out. It was just 1 bolt right here, nothing crazy, and then just disconnected the wire, which literally just unplugs. And so this is supposed to be the ground here, and this is the positive. So what I did is I got these two little, from my multimeter here with the little alligator clips, 2 little wires here, connected this to the positive side, and then this one I'm going to do to the negative side, and it should beep, but it's not. So that tells me that it's most likely a bad horn. So I got this new horn, Full Blast by Wolo, low tone, extra loud apparently. So I hooked it up the same as the other one, except this one has 2 terminals. I think the other one they broke it off, but anyways, hooked it up, and let's see if it works. Yep, there you go. So now to hook it up over there and give it a test. So I had to cut the wire here, the old one, the original one, put this new little clip on it because it was the old one was too small to fit here. Luckily the new horn comes with this, and it also comes with this little ground wire and this little bracket that I had to bend to make the horn fit. So just so you guys can kind of see here, let's do one of these and do one of these. I'm doing it one-handed, so it's kind of a pain. I think that's how it's set up. Let's find out. Go. And now she's working. Alright guys, well, that was my horn dilemma. You might have a whole different one, I'm just gonna leave a description, all the stuff that I've replaced and everything in the, well, obviously in the description down there. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. We'll see you later. Almost forgot to show you what it looks like all bolted down. There she is. Good to go. Ready to go honk at some people on the road.